Hey, so today I'm just going through stabs because I find I'm really weak on stuff like that, short burst moments. I'm just doing a loop that I found. I think it's 80 BPM. I'm gonna go nice and slow, just try to get uh, used to controlling the fader and the turntable. You've seen my videos before. When my left hand is on the crossfader, I'm not nearly as good as on my, with my right hand. Obviously, there's plenty of DJs that, very good with one hand or the other. I'm just here practicing both because you never know. So let's get at it. So as you can tell, I need a lot of work.